Getting ready to attempt some plastic welding repair on my mom's little smart car. It's already been popped out some. It was dented quite a bit in. We used some hot boiled water to pull it out, push it out a little. Got it back behind there. She doesn't want to pull the whole thing off and do it quite professionally, so we're just gonna do the best we can to make it look just a little bit better. I use this flat iron, which I'm about to plug in and try out. There we have, all finished.
You should get back 4 feet. Then it will really look
right? You can't even tell from back here at all. It's true. But up close you can see the color is a little different.
Well, I think for video, like informational video,
mostly I was just trying to show this plastic, which is not perfect, but is better than it was. I was going to show. So that's how much of a stick I used, which is about just that much. Can't get any lighting on it. On that little patch there. And down in here. You can see it's not perfect, but it's better than it was. Definitely.
I do think one
nice
more coat actually
patch job
on the real dark black. I mean, you know, I think one more
of the paint. You mean?
Yeah, the paint, and then we do the white. I mean, the clear. But
okay.
I think one more
pass.
Yeah.
I think. I mean, I'm with you, and I'll do that. But I also think it's not visually going to look any better because of the unsmoothness of it. You know what I mean? No matter how much we get on there.
Yeah.
But it's approved.
It is.
Quick and easy.
And then the sun will come and it'll
look even worse.
Fade this whole thing and eventually look better. Look like an old jalopy. That's what it is.
That's all I used of that. What's this stuff called? Welding kit.